Not really sure what that thing is up on the mulch plug, but what it will do is it'll prevent that from sliding that direction. And that's the way I had it lined up in the workshop, so I gotta turn the tractor around. Okay, you can see the gauge wheels are set to move it out. Got them on that side. The front hook for the mower deck is out. And we have this side set up to roll it. So I've got to disconnect the PTO and the two back points. And it should slide up out of there, I hope. Okay, so top side maintenance is done. There's a Zerk right there. There's a Zerk right there for sliding the arm. Please. I did not check the oil in the drive there, in the shaft drive, and I'll have to do that a little bit later. So this is called getting a little help from your friends. That sure makes lifting that up a lot easier. Just a little bit of damage here. That's NY 322 you hear in the background there. So this guy was driving the machine, and you had the deck all the way to the ground. I even mentioned that to the guy that was doing the consignment, who was the John Deere service guy. And I told him, I said, it really looks to me like he just left the deck down on the ground and used the wheels to hold it. And he said, yeah, I think he did too. One of the things that's a common problem on these is these latching mechanisms, and they get rusted right down there. So I went ahead and greased some of the holes, so that'll actually lube itself as it goes in and out of the holes. And I greased that shaft so everything slides and moves free like it should. And I did all 4 of those. Well, you can see by the condition of that belt that we're probably going to need a new deck belt here pretty quick. I don't know how much longer it's got in the way of life, but I can see that it's been rolled over once or twice anyways. The deck actually looks in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of surface rust on it. Underneath it wasn't bad. Of course it does have the mulch chute in it, so, and I'm going to leave it in there. I'm going to try mulching. We'll see how that works for me. Never really done much of it, and we'll play the game a little bit, but if I don't like it, it's coming out of there.